Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Mojo. I'm back on YouTube. It's been a minute, man. It's been a long minute since I made a video. Back modding the 340. We in the garage. You know, it's about to get spicy. We about to turn things up. Finally back to modding this John. We got something. We got something in the tuck about to show y'all. All right, y'all. So this is what we got. This is the new spice, man. As y'all can see, Dorch Engineering. Ooh, it's already been opened clearly, but spice. Let's try not to get it all greasy. Here we go. This is the new Dorch Stage 2.5 John, the DS25. They just dropped these. Had to grab one. Yeah, so we about to get to installing this joint in a little bit. I'll show y'all what it came with. Oh yeah, I got it with the analyzer joint. So yeah, full CAN bus. Everything you need. So yeah, we about to get these E-blends on. You know, they got the instructions and all that video. This is the other box. New fuel rail, screws, the plug-in sensor. John to center it, the new base. Yeah, so already got the battery unplugged, got the plate covers down. Yeah, so just letting the car cool down some. Oh, it's a little dark. Yeah, super stock under here, super duper stock. I got my light though. Still stock intake, still got the restrictor, still stock charge pipe. It's very stock under here. Only thing we got is that Bimmer Network 5-inch catless downpipe. That's all. So now it's just gonna be downpipe and a stage 2.5 high pressure fuel pump. We're gonna see how this changed the car, how it's pushing, quarter mile, 60 to 130, all that. Alright, so y'all see we got that new Dorch. I ain't about to do too much talking. About to just set the GoPro up, get to work, you know, get busy, come back when it's all put together. Alright, so got all the little trim and stuff off. That's the stock Gen 1 B58 fuel pump. So take this off. We'll have to take off this spark plug and this spark plug. Take these fuel rails off, you know, and replace them with the new Dorch shit. Let's get to it. So this is where we at right now. Fuel rail is out. OEM fuel pump is out. I'll show you guys. This joint hot as shit though. Yeah, this motherfucker burning me. It's the fuel pump, OEM fuel lines. There's a lot of gas still sitting in these joints, but yep, time to put that Dorch in. So getting ahead of myself and not properly reading the instructions. These are the OEM T30s that held the pump in place, and I was supposed to use the ones they came with, and I didn't, and I realized then the pump wasn't sitting flush against the flange. So yeah, good thing. Probably would have been a crazy fuel leak, and that could have led to a fire. So let's put these in, keep it pushing. So on top of using the wrong bolts, I had it backwards at first. So this should be facing the spark plugs. I had it the other way. So swapped it around. And now I'm about to connect the lines for the ECA flex fuel. That's the next step. Alright, moving along now. I'm getting there. Everything's in. I'm starting to do the flex fuel connection, route this through the little grommet, do all this splicing or whatever. I'm getting pretty tired, but we're gonna get through it. So we got everything together. Fuel pumps in, but I can't do the flex fuel right now because I don't have my T20. I have a T27, T25, no T20, so gotta wait till I'm back at work so I can get my T20. Gonna finish it up there, but we're gonna flash the car, start it up, make sure everything's running good, no fuel is spilling or anything like that. So about to flash the car and see what's up. Alright, so got my multi-mat stage 2 plus downloaded. We about to reconnect the battery, crank it up. Hopefully the car is good, and you know, it ain't giving me no problems. Let's get it. Crossing my fingers, hoping everything goes good. Let's flash. Gonna have to put my seatbelt on. Oh. Turn the lights off. Let's turn that radio off. Press here to flash now. Ooh, bro, that fuel pump is loud. I hear that shit doing. Okay, success. Now it's time. Let's get this startup going. Hopefully everything goes right, man. Turn the car off. Seatbelt off, and this is the moment of truth. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's on, baby. It's on. Let's check it out. Make sure nothing's leaking. That baby good. Nothing leaking. Look like you good for today. Don't see nothing leaking. Y'all. Alright, so gotta wait till another. Whoa, this just that zoom just super crazy. We gotta wait till another day to finish the flex fuel because I don't have my T20 socket. So we're gonna finish this up. I'm gonna be back. Still gonna do some pulls. see if there's any difference, but this ain't the end. Alright, so I'm in the passenger seat. I'm trying to tuck this ECA kit. It's very tight. I lost 2 of my Matco 1/4 inches. They're now in the abyss of this sound dampening shit. But yeah, we fished it through. Now we gotta wire it all up. Yo, what's up? So it's been about 2 weeks since I put the fuel pump in now. I've been bullshitting hella crazy, but I guess we just gonna, you know, extend the video. Well, fuck it, I ain't make a video in a minute. But yeah, I put the fuel pump in, but I didn't wire the analyzer yet. So got some time today. We gonna do that. But yeah, I've been running the pump. The car is punching, man. It's punching. Feels totally different up top. Up top is where you feel it. Like once you, because before 100, it used to feel. I mean, this car's still quick, but now it's just like, just keeps fucking going. Especially when you do the E-Mix. What? E-Mix goes crazy. But I'm still on the OTS right now. We waiting. We gonna hold off till I go custom. I might just hold this video until I get a custom, and really just, you know. But I don't know. We gonna see. We about to yeah, we about to get to wiring this John. Then yeah, then I could really have the flex fuel rocking. But yeah. Alright, boom. So we in the car. We got everything spliced in. This was, it seems overwhelming at first, but I mean, I'm used to overwhelming shit, honestly, from, you know, working on cars all the time. But yeah, it looks overwhelming at first, but it's pretty fucking simple. The instructions you scan are straightforward, very straightforward if you just read it. Yeah, so I'm about to connect this one back in this connector B, and then I still got to connect the John dangling from over there, and then just slab it on, recalibrate the shit, see what content it's reading, because with the boot mod it says you can just read it straight in the cluster. So yeah, be back when that's done. Yeah, nice and tucked module, got the Velcro strip they gave, connectors back in. Time to put this shit back together. Alright, we in the wheel. Flex fuel all hooked up. I'm already on the multi-map stage 2 plus with the you know, downpipe pump, simple B58 shit. But yeah, I just hit the cruise control button the first down, because you know it's 2 different jaws, and then it'll show me my ethanol content. I got a brake light on because my sensor is bad and I didn't replace it yet. Chill out on me. Yeah, so got about E15, I mean it's 93 Shell Nitro V-Power shit. Yeah, and then this, yeah, I'm on map 2. You know, map 2 is 93 tune. Yeah, so I mean it's pretty accurate. Give us some little baby revs. Well, not real baby, but sounds good though.